Hi guys, I'm Likit. I'm back with a new video. I will be discussing about the new video assignment of energy and environment subject. It is based upon zero waste initiatives. I'm from 7th SEM ISC from SVC Engineering College. So, uh, the topic which tickle our mind when we talk about zero waste initiatives means the process of or methods of decreasing the reduction of waste producing by various industries, business processes, and individuals. The basic methods that will be followed for initiative of zero waste is land incineration, digging, dumping, leaching, compacting, compaction. But as per the topic, it is zero waste. But what are the methods that we think those initiatives are belong to zero waste are not properly zero waste because the output of or resultant of the methods that we have mentioned like incineration, land digging, land dumping, compaction, compression, and these types of on burning, leaching, these methods are not completely zero waste because there is an output that can harm the environment, so it can't be considered zero waste. But these methods are very costly also. So by not focusing on these vast, large, and costliest methods, we'll be focusing on the basic methods that can be followed by each and every individual, because the previous methods cannot be followed by every individual and every startup or company because it is very expensive. The first strategy that can be discussed in zero waste initiative is waste reduction strategies, encouraging individuals, businesses to minimize waste generation through conscious choices. This includes avoiding single use items, opting for products with minimal packaging, and embracing a mindset of less is more. Actually, the most of the waste that we have been seeing in the daily lifestyle is the packaging part. So, for each and every product of a from coming from small shampoo sachet to big Toyota car, there will be some packing. There will be packing. So these materials are very harmful to environment and these cannot be reusable. So the parts of the materials which will harm environment directly. So to reduce that, we should use these waste reduction strategies by opting the single use items, avoiding single use item, opting for products with minimal packaging. Like if you take a plastic brush, if it got ruined out means it got expired or the bristles are not clean, we'll be throwing that out. Even though the bristles are made with plastic, if we take the thing over, the handle that we hold is also made of plastic mostly. So by replacing that with a wooden stick, it can be environmentally friendly, and 90% of the harm to the environment will be reduced up to the particular product. So if we go to the next strategy, it's reusable products. Promoting the use of reusable products to replace disposable items. This includes reusable shopping bags, water bottles, coffee cups and containers, reducing the reliance on single-use plastic and other disposable materials. This strategy is in applying in our daily life from small scale industries to the large scale industries. Only some of the major industries are not following this reusable product strategy because the material that they use can't be replaceable by these reusable products. So if we take the example of a coffee cup, mostly it is made up of mm, paper and there will be a coating of malleable. But if you talk about the health concern, it is very dangerous to the health. But if you talk about the environmental purpose, this won't hurt the environment much compared to the plastic or previous any container that will be used before. Promoting the use of reusable products to replace disposable items. This includes reusable shopping bags, water bottles, coffee cups, and containers, etc. Bulk purchasing. Actually, as we discussed in the first topic, reduction of waste strategies. In that, the major contribution of waste to the environment is from packaging and processing department and delivering department. So it is mainly occurring because of a customer is choosing a filtered product. Means if he wants only one per day, he will only order one thing. So for that also, the delivering company or manufacturing company should package, use the plastic or any material to cover it and send it to the customer to make it safe. So due to that, it will be harmful for our environment. So we can't avoid the safety of customers without having a package to any food item or deliverable item. We can reduce by using the bulk purchasing technique because rather than choosing the single product or single unit of a particular product, we can choose bulk buying, such as encouraging the purchases of products in bulk to minimize packaging waste. This can involve bringing reusable containers to stores and buying items such as grains, nuts, and detergents in larger quantities. We should not, the company also should sell the products using the steel containers so the customer can reuse them uh, without buying the any other alternative to store the food grains or nuts in that. By placing the same container, they can reuse the item another time. So it can be useful for zero initiative strategy. Composting. Promoting the composting of organic waste, including food scraps and yard waste. Composting not only diverts waste from landfills but also creates nutrient rich compost that can be used to improve soil health. Due to the plastic that have been dumped and land incineration and burned half burned products, the major conflict that is occurring to the soil is soil erosion. So the minerals are losing and minerals are losing like nitrogen, what calcium. These are the main things that can be useful for plant growth. It is reducing in the soil health with because of these plastic products. Instead of wasting the organic waste from our household, means if we cut the vegetable peels, we should we will throw like we'll throw like a normal packaging product, but focusing and keeping it idle and making as a compost and dispose in the soil, make the soil nutrition and creates a nutrition rich compost that can be used to improve soil health. If the health of soil health is improved, the plant growth and yield crop yield will be increased and a farmer can be much benefited by this. Plastic reduction campaigns. Implementing strategies to reduce the use of single use plastics. This includes awareness campaigns, policy advocacy, and initiatives encouraging businesses to find alternatives to plastic packaging. Focusing and promoting the reusable products and plastic alternative products in the public places. By protesting against these products or protesting against the company which is manufacturing most of these products, so this can be reducing the single use plastics. This includes awareness campaigns. It will make aware the people that we should not use these type of plastic that will be harmful for the environment. So the mindset of the people get changed and planet will get better. Educational outreach programs. Conducting educational programs to raise awareness about the environment impact of waste and the importance of sustainable waste management practices. This includes school programs, community workshops, and social media campaigns. The major regret of the society is not having the proper neatness of maintaining the earth properly. This this is happening due to the lack of awareness from our schooling. If we focus the educational and outreach programs on students which have been on students from the primary level or secondary level, they can be the students can grow their knowledge in this and can teach their juniors not to do which will harmful for the environment. The next topic is investment in waste reduction technologies. Supporting and investing in innovative technologies that can help reduce waste, improve recycling process, and find new solutions for waste management challenges. As we discussed before, the most of the techniques that is being used by the most of the industries like land filling, digging and dumping the waste in the disposals, and incineration and half burning using leaching method and chemicals to burn the non-decomposable materials. This is not a efficient way to reduce the waste, or it is not a zero waste initiative. This can lead to have a particulate matter that can affect the environment. So it should get reduced because by focusing on this zero initiative in zero waste initiatives, they should invest the amount because most of the industries are thinking by following these techniques they will get the loss. So the government should also provide some subsidies who have been maintaining the zero waste initiatives in their planning of action in the industries. They will get awarded by some land of land to acquire new industries in the new places which are very profitable. So it should be done by the government also. Legislation and policy advocacy. Advocating for supporting and policies regulations that incentives waste reduction, recycling, and the responsible management of waste at the local, regional, and national levels. Thank you.